Hello there. Just quick instructions about how to make a copy of your study guide if you'd like to have a copy. So for each of your units, the last set of materials is your unit test study guide. There's one for each of your 3 units in this semester. You can either choose to print your study guide, or you can choose to make your own copy of the study guide. The study guide, you'll notice, is not an assignment. There's no due date. It's just a material presented to you. You do not need to turn your study guide into me on Google Classroom or on Odysseyware. The study guide is there for you to use so that you can get the highest grade possible on your unit test. So when you click on the material, you'll see it is a Google Doc. And when you click on the Google Doc, you can either choose to print it if you have a printer and you'd like to print it, and then you can write right on it to use for your unit test. Most people prefer to print it and be able to write on it. It's a little bit easier than having to go back and forth on your computer between the test and your study guide. But if you don't have a printer, or you would like to just be able to save the study guide on your computer, all you need to do is go right up here to File and choose Make a Copy. And when you choose Make a Copy, it will make a copy of this Google Doc in your Google Drive. You do not need to request access because you're going to just make a copy if you want a copy. You can also download it as a Word document if you really wanted to, but most people would prefer to have it as a Google Doc, and then it'll stay in your Google Drive. So all you do is choose Make a Copy, and then you'll be able to type right into it and make whatever changes that you want into your study guide. And then you can use the study guide as much as you would like when it comes time to taking the unit test. So those are the instructions for how you make a copy of your study guides for this semester. Hope it's helpful. Let me know if you need anything. See ya.